In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a video horizontally in CapCut. To get started, open CapCut in your web browser and make sure you're in the project where you want to make the change. This can be a project with either a video clip or a still image, since the same basic process works for both. Once you've opened the project, give it a moment to fully load. This is important because if the editor is still loading, some tools may not respond right away and it's easier to miss a setting. When the project is ready, go down to the timeline and click on the video or image that you want to flip. This step matters because CapCut only applies editing actions to the item that is currently selected. After clicking it, take a second to confirm that the media is actually selected. You should be able to tell by the visible highlight or selection outline around that clip or image in the timeline. Next, move your attention to the toolbar above the preview window. This area contains several quick editing tools, and the one you need here is the flip option. Take a moment to locate the flip icon, then click the drop-down attached to it. If you don't click the drop-down, you may not see the full set of flip options available. From that menu, choose Flip Horizontal. As soon as you select it, CapCut will apply the effect to the selected media. After that, wait briefly for the preview window to update. In most cases, this happens almost instantly, but it's still a good idea to pause and let the change appear clearly before moving on. Now review the media in the preview window. You should see that the image has been mirrored from side to side. In other words, the left and right sides will be reversed. This is the key visual sign that the horizontal flip has worked correctly. If you're flipping footage with text or a recognizable object, this change will usually be especially easy to notice. Once you've confirmed the look in the preview window, check the result again on the timeline and make sure the correct clip or image was edited. This final review helps you avoid accidentally changing the wrong piece of media, especially in projects with multiple clips close together. And that's it! You've successfully flipped your video or image horizontally in CapCut. It's a simple adjustment, but it can be very useful for correcting composition, creating a mirrored effect, or improving the overall look of your project.